It's inevitable that just about everyone will be involved in an accident at some point in their lives. If you're injured in an auto accident and are stuck dealing with insurance companies, you need to consult with an experienced auto accident attorney whose firm's focused on auto accident injuries and personal injury cases. If you're involved in a car accident, you should contact the police immediately. Several factors will determine whether the police will file a report. Police are required to file a report if a vehicle is not drivable or if anyone involved in the accident requires immediate medical treatment. If the police don't respond or investigate, make sure that you exchange contact information, insurance information with the other driver as soon as possible. During this time, you should also take photographs of the vehicles in the scene. If there's a dispute between you and the other driver as to the cause of the accident, make sure you report the accident to the police. An officer will be dispatched to investigate and interview witnesses. Even if you don't think that you're injured right after an accident, keep in mind that some injuries can take a long time to develop, such as whiplash. Make sure that you report the accident immediately and that you get an examination from a doctor. Doing so will help you make sure that you obtain any compensation for future medical expenses or other losses. It's critical to report any car accident to your insurance company. You should obtain medical attention for any injuries, exchange contact and insurance information with the other driver, and talk to your own doctor to ensure that you haven't suffered any injuries. Depending on your coverage, your insurance provider might give you a rental car if your car has been totaled or needs repaired from the accident. You should not talk to or sign any documents for the other driver's insurance company until you speak to a lawyer. If you get a call from the other insurance company, it's important to stay calm and be polite. Before answering any questions, ask the individual for his name, title, and the name of the insurance company he works for. And be sure to write down all that information for your records. It's also important to document notes throughout your conversation. You should not allow the insurance company to record your conversation. If you decide to speak with the other driver's insurance company, you should provide the insurance company with as little information as possible. Fault's determined either by agreement with the at-fault party or the at-fault party's insurance company, or if no agreement can be reached, you will file a lawsuit against the at-fault party and your case will go to court for arbitration or a jury trial. In Pennsylvania, your insurance carrier is supposed to pay for your medical expenses up to a certain amount if you're hurt in an accident. However, property damage is based on fault. Any repair cost to your vehicle should be covered by the insurance company for the at-fault driver.